All right, guys, so I am here with one of your peers again. We are going to record a different way that you can submit assignments. I've been getting a lot of emails from you guys saying that you're having trouble submitting assignments. So this should work for any assignment in any of your classes, anytime that you're having trouble submitting anything. So, Jasmine, go ahead and click on Submit Assignment. Okay, so most of y'all, once you get to this screen, y'all are uploading a document from your computer, which is a perfectly fine way to upload or submit an assignment. That works just fine, is perfect. In fact, it's probably preferable that you do it that way because it comes up in a more user-friendly way for teachers. So always try that way first. That's always going to be the best way. But if you are having trouble submitting, this is a different way that you can try as a backup. So Jasmine, go ahead and click on Create. Okay, now we're going to pause here in Schoology and we're going to go to our document that we've created in Google Slides. Go ahead and go to Google Slides. Now I'm going to show this to you multiple different ways. So I'm going to show you right now how you can submit this in the Create tab. When it is a Google slide or a Google Doc. All right, then I'm going to show you how you can do it if it's like a picture or a Word document or a PDF file, anything else, okay? So this one is just for anything that's created in the Google Suite. So Google Drive, so Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Sheets, any of those things. All right, so Jasmine, go ahead and click on Share. All right, so when you click on share, it shows at the bottom, it says get link restricted, only people added can open with this link. So if you copy this link and submit this link, I can't read it. I cannot read the document. I can't open the document. Nobody can open the document, okay? So what you have to do to fix that problem is that you're going to click down here at the bottom where it says change to anyone with the link. So Jasmine, go ahead and click that. All right, now this link says anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, now remember here on viewer, you want to keep it as viewer. Don't change this to edit or comment unless your teacher specifically asks you to do that. Okay, so go ahead and grab that link, Jasmine, hit copy link. Have you copied it? Okay. Go ahead and click done. Now go back to Schoology. And you are going to paste the link here under the Create tab, and you will hit Submit. And now it's submitted. I should be able to access that link. Now, the question arises then, how would you do this if it is not a Google Slides presentation or a Google Doc or Google Sheets or something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording. Hold on just 1 second. Okay, so now if you're needing to submit a PDF or an image of some kind, you can do that using a Google Drive link the same way that you do with Google Slides or a Google Doc, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to get your PDF or your image onto your drive. So if it's not already on your drive, you're going to start with going to the New button in the top left corner. Go ahead and click on that, Jasmine. Over here in the top left corner where it says New. Okay, so then you're going to click on, you don't have to click this, Jasmine, yet, but once you have done this, then you're going to click on File Upload, and it's going to open up your files on your computer, and you can upload any files from your computer onto your Google Drive. Okay, so now Jasmine already has hers on her drive, so we don't actually need to upload anything. So over here, this PDF, all about heredity. So if this is an assignment that she needs to submit in Schoology, all she's going to do, go ahead and close that, Jasmine. You don't need to open it. So when you open it, there's no way to share it with a link. Okay, so you have to do it while you're in your drive directly. So you're going to, are you using a mouse or a trackpad, Jasmine? Okay, so with 2 fingers, you're going to click on this document using 2 fingers. If you have a mouse, you'll just right click. So this box opens up. You're going to click Get Shareable Link. And from here, you're going to do the same exact thing that you did before. You're going to change it from restricted to Aldine Independent School District. Now anyone in this group can view the link. Okay, you're going to copy the link. And you'll submit it in Schoology using the link underneath Create when you go to your assignment submission. So this is how you can submit any assignment using a Google Drive link.